What's up, guys? Just gonna give people a couple minutes to pour in here. Um, Let me know if you see me. I don't know if anybody's in here. Let me know. What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Well, we're gonna give everybody some time, bro, because I came in a bit late. I had to redo my stream key and shit. So, I mean, I'm not late, but I wasn't on time. We'll give everybody till about 7:40 to pour in here, and then we'll get it rocking. Not missing out on anything. The setups are brewing. But good morning. Welcome to Fortunes, baby. What's up, y'all? I'm here. I'm here. I'm just letting some people come in here. We'll wait till we get, 10, 20 people and we'll get rocking. Probably about 4 or 5 more minutes. But I'm here, baby. Good morning. What's up? Welcome Zoom too. We almost there, baby. We almost there. Hello, hello, hello. I'm over here vibing, bro. I forget you guys can't hear this shit. My bad. All right, let's see how many people we got in here. 16 people on here. Let's Trade Academy. What's up, brother? King Bot GU? Damn, bro. Off of this liquid grab sin right here, King. I see you. Chilling like a villain, you know me. We're almost there, guys. Want to wait for a couple people to pour in because I was a bit late. You know. Also for anybody, that the banner up top, Fortunes Funding, says live streams and my Instagram and shit. Is it not? It's not blurry today, right? It's correct. Alessandra, I know, bro. I was mad, bro. Trust me, I know. It's HD. All right. What about me? How's my picture with the new camera? We good? HD, very clear. We looking professional now, fellas. Look at the hoodie, bro. Check the merchandise. Finally went to go see the boy and get me a hoodie, you know? Appreciate all 19 of you guys for being here. Make sure you guys like the stream. We got giveaways today. We got dubs today. It's Friday today. This is my first time being on here on a Friday, so it's nice I get to end the week with you guys and start the week with you guys now. Monday, Friday. It's good except for the Monday stream. My brother, I'm sorry. I was in Miami. I mean, I'm going to be honest here. I was in Miami. I fucking just woke up at like 6 o'clock at night. And then we ended up going out, you know, going to eat and, you know, going out. And I was up, bro. I was up. I was just tired as fuck. And I was like, man, am I going to give it my all? Or I'm about to just go the fuck to sleep, bro, and become a human again. So anyways, every once in a while, you boys got to enjoy his life. But 9.9 times out of 10, you can ask my group. They're fucking flooded in here right now. We get to business, bro. I show up on time every day. It's cool. I am mad, my guy. But how you doing, brother? 20 people. Okay, we hit it. Welcome, guys. We got 20 viewers, 8 likes. Make sure you guys like the stream. It helps us grow. And the further we grow and the bigger we get, the bigger the giveaways get. I mean, the knowledge is always going to be as big as it possibly can be because we give value out here. But just understand, the bigger we grow, the bigger the channel gets, the bigger the giveaways get as well, bro. Everything becomes bigger. You know? Help your boy out. Okay, so DJ, I'm just gonna run through everything. Is anybody here super new? Let's see, I'll do a poll. You know I do this shit every time. Who here is new to my style of trading? Cause usually I'm gonna put a poll up for you, Andrew. Okay. Oh, wow. We got another king in the building. Welcome, bro. Me, brother. It's my first time on Fortune stream on a Friday. Oh, right. Right. You're right. God, these lights are bright as fuck in my face, bro. Ah. It's quite the new setup. Watch the 5-minute trading vid. I'm ready to run it up. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. King J, I'm fairly new. Okay, so out of the 23 people so far, we have 9 votes and nine votes, so 4.5 of you or so are new. Okay, we'll let that ride for a second. We can fucking, I can do from A through Z, bro. It's kind of 50-50. Sometimes I come out here and most people know me, so it's like, all right, we'll start in the middle and get extreme. But some people need us to start way from the back, which I'm down with. We can run through it all, bro. We got time. Nothing is lining up yet, I don't think. I got GU coming up to me. GJ's red tagged. AU's screaming out of supply. Oh yeah, we got time for the whole lesson today. You know? Me too. It was like a 7-minute breakdown video from Emma.trades or something like that. Bro, y'all are the shit, bro. I love y'all. Y'all are the shit, bro. Was more of a breakout trader but switched to S&D. Why did you switch to supply and demand? What was the reason for that? Yeah, bro. Let me get happy Friday, fellas. Happy Friday. I'm just letting people come in here. It seems so here's the deal, and especially for all you Fortunes people who are not in my group. I know that they keep making my banner that says 9 o'clock. Sorry, I used to have my camera here. I forget my camera's over here. I know they used to have a banner or have my banner for 9 o'clock, but I do not start at 9 o'clock, bro. I start at 7:30 a.m. Um, Monday through Friday. I did a poll on my group and asked you guys when you wanted me to do the second stream because I was always Monday, and everybody said Monday and Tuesday. But we got Spinks. Shout out to Spinks, by the way, is doing live streams on Tuesday, so it's got to be Monday, Friday. So we start the week together, we end the week together. You know what I'm saying? But that will be 7:30 a.m. Eastern, bro. We are pre-New York session traders. Okay, let me go grab round 2. This is my Jesus juice for the day, and then we'll get it moving. Potentially bring a couple people in. What did I miss? I've watched one stream of yours before, but I joined pretty late and didn't really catch much, so I'm hoping I can learn one thing today. You're gonna learn more than one thing today, bro. Too many fake outs, been trading for 2 months, Brody. You'll learn more than one thing today, sir. Bro, King, bro. Fuck out of my head, bro. The fuck out of my head, bro. Alright, guys, so let's start with GJ today. I'm actually not gonna start with GJ today because I have it red tagged, so for anybody who ever comes on here, I only trade these green pairs sitting up here, okay? Supply and demand pairs. I have this separate section here for back testing, which I just do with my group. I don't do much back testing anymore unless there's something that I want to capitalize on. There's something that I seen in the markets. I will bring it back at the end of the week. I will go back test it and see how that plays out over the course of a couple months. And as I tell my group, as I'll tell you guys too with back testing, you don't get to go do one session of back testing and then everything is held true from that point just because you had a good month. That doesn't make sense. You know, it's taken me multiple years to achieve the strategy that I have now, and you're not going to go onto the charts and hit at 80% month back testing and then be able to hold everything you did there king. That's not how it works. You need to have multiple months of data to support your claim of why this is going to up your win percentage or why this is a good edge within the markets. Okay, so just want to get that understood. But let's go ahead and run through from A through Z, because our poll right now is at 16 votes. Oh, 62% of you say not new to this, true to this, bro. I love you, bro. I'm a quick learner, that's what she said. Yeah. Okay, so King J, listen up. Let's run through this. I don't know what type of trader you are, but I know that it is wrong if it's not my style. I'm just kidding, bro. Just messing with you. Appreciate all 26 of you guys for showing up. We do have 13 likes. Remember, at the end of the stream, which we've never not been able to fulfill before, but I'm keeping it 100, bro. If the likes don't match how many viewers we have, not happening. Okay? So it's so not true, bro. Of course, we're going to give you a giveaway, but help you boy out. So first, I will mark out my entire strategy within 3 steps, okay? It's my 3-step strategy. Yeah, we getting deep into it today, fellas. Okay, so first step is my impulsive leg, which is your trend bias, which is on the hourly time frame. So all I use top-down analysis just like most traders, but I only use 3 time frames, which is going to be hourly, 15-minute, and 5 minutes. So the hourly, the only thing we're doing on it is finding out what market structure is doing at that point so we can understand if we want to buy or sell. I know people always talk about manipulation and fake outs within the markets. A big reason why we're able to get away from all that is just by sticking to our bias. No matter what the chart tells us for the day, we're still going to stick to ourselves if the market is bearish. No matter what the market is doing for the day, we're still going to stick to our buys if the market is bullish. And I do not deviate away from that, ever, 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 ever. My hourly bias for the day is held king into the following day. We can go back to the hourly and see what our impulsive leg is. Okay, so that's step number 1. Of course, we were going to go through all that in depth heavily. Step number 2 is mark up your supply and demand zone. And that is going to be held on the 15 and 5 minute time frame. Shit, which I can't fit up there. Let me make this hella smaller, okay? Let's do like 20. Which again, we will go through that as well. But all of my setups occur on the 5 and 15 minute. I do not take an hourly setup. If there's a supply or demand zone that is in the way of the smaller time frame setup I'm trying to take, which is happening with GJ right now, so that's good. I can give you guys an example. I just won't take the trade, bro. I don't expect my 5 or 15 minute zone to be stronger than an hourly supply or demand zone. So if I'm bearish for the day, but we're sitting in a hourly demand, I'm just not going to take the trade. I'll just wait until everything is correlating with each other. We don't go against the wave, we ride with the wave. Okay, and then third and final step is enter off reaction from zone. And where does that happen? Same exact time frames, 15 and 5 minute. Okay, stay with me here, fellas. You should record this so you can play it over and over again at the beginning of every stream. Yeah, bro, for real. For real. I feel you. I'm about to go grab my coffee. Give me a second, and then we'll get into it. But this is it, bro. This is the 3-step strategy I do every single day. This is it. Is it more complicated than that? No, it's not more complicated than that. It's literally this simple. Every fucking day, every pair, you guys should be able to walk on and understand exactly what is going on with the markets. I mean it. There's not a single day that I walk onto the markets and I'm like, oh, I don't know what's going on with this pair. I'm just going to leave it alone. I can say, okay, I don't like what I see going on with this pair. I'm going to leave it alone. But not at any point do I not know what the trend is for the day and what I want to do with that pair. So If you guys don't feel that exact same way, then we got some work to do. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we'll dive deeper into this. Let me grab my coffee real quick. It's already made. I just gotta grab it. All right, man. Take notes. Yeah. I record all my streams. So what I'll do? Oh wait. Let me think about that before I just be talking about shit I can do, not my channel. What can I do? Yeah, cause it would be nice. I could I can cut this up like the first 15 minutes. Bro, holla at me, bro. You see the top right up there at Emmett.trades? If you guys actually want to get this lecture over again, if you need to see it again, oh, bro, we're good. I don't use copyright music on Fortunes. It'll be on Fortunes YouTube. Everything on my channel gets deleted, bro, because we don't follow the rules. But yeah, we're good here. Where's the coffee at? Right here, bro. I just got it. Look. I don't know if you can see. I don't want to spill it, but it's right there, bro. Black gold. My coffee comes in one form, and it's black. I don't know where I was going with that. Okay, so let's put this into example now. Now that we have this, okay? Let's put this into example with a couple pairs. So what we'll do is start from the bottom to the top, because I told you guys I red tagged this based upon a lower time frame zone going against a higher time frame zone. But that's a little bit more advanced than you first people are just trying to figure out my strategy. So let's we'll do top to the bottom to the top first. All right, here, bro. We'll run it like this, dude. I just deleted everything. We'll run it like this. Okay, everything is gone. We're hopping on the chart together for the very first time, bro. Okay? Timestamp, banner, put the link in both Discords I did, and then tag me in a post. Yeah, y'all are gonna have to tag me in a post later on. Okay. So on the hourly time frame, all I'm trying to figure out is where the impulsive leg at. What do I mean by impulsive leg? Well, for bearish, then the lower high and the lower low, and if for bullish, the higher low and the higher high. That's all I'm trying to figure out. And as I always tell my students, bro, if you're getting confused, if you're in a shitty area of market structure, just move to the left until things make sense. Okay? And so if you're sitting right here, and you're like, okay, I don't know what the fuck leg of market structure is because it's kind of odd to me, you just continue to move to the left until shit makes sense, okay? So obviously here, this is clean, clean, clean market structure, right? We've just been continuing down this entire time. Clean, clean, clean. So it's like, okay, let's just start here and we'll make our way over here to figure out what our bias is for the day. All right, and just, apologize to you people ahead of time who've watched me do this 500 fucking times. But it's good for you, it's good for me too. We all learn together. Okay, so I'm gonna mark out this lower high, and I'm gonna mark out this lower low sitting down here, right? So from this point sitting right here, and this point sitting right here, anything that happens in between it, I am looking for my sell setup this entire time. I don't give a shit what type of signal showed me, hey, let's start buying up. We got higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Buy, 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 buy. We are selling. We're selling this entire time until we break past this lower high sitting right here, okay? We don't get caught up in retracements, nor do we take retracement trades. I only am looking for an impulsive leg, okay? I want the big move. I don't care about the consolidation. I'm looking to achieve the bigger move and getting in on the retracement. Do you understand? And so that's what we're looking for. We want to get in here so we can be a part of this. We don't want to get in somewhere here so we can be a part of this. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so look what happened here. Going to the right, right, right. We're looking for sells, 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 and then boom, we finally popped past this lower high sitting right here. But what happened with the very next candle is we ended up closing right back within the range here. And so I'm still looking for sales, which I'll run through later, but we do not lose money in the markets the same way we make market money. And one of our setups is a liquid grab setup, meaning we understand we got a shit ton of stop losses sitting up here. Once price comes up and takes them out, which is them gaining liquidity, sometimes the market continues to fall. We just needed to gain a little bit more liquidity. Do you understand? Like, try to take a sell right here. The market wasn't ready to pop yet. So we continue higher. We get a deeper retracement. We try to gain more liquidity before continuing lower. We come up here. We try to take another sell. What happens? It fails. The market still needs to grab more liquidity. It's going to continue higher before it continues lower. You come up here. Okay, this is the final part of liquidity. It ended up taking out these lower highs to continue lower. But obviously in this instance, we ended up just breaking structure and continuing to the upside. This shit happens. But more often than not, if we are following the wave on the hourly time frame, if we are chasing the trend on the hourly time frame, we are going to be correct with our bias. And then at some point, obviously, trends get broken. We will end up taking out this lower high, and we can switch our bias to begin looking for the opposite end of trades. Okay? And so that's kind of what happened here. And boy, this is ugly as fuck for a while, but let's run through it. So ended up breaking past here, closed back in the range. So like, okay, sell, sell, sell. We broke past again, starting to confirm, okay, we only want to look for buys within this market. We are switching structure. And then you just put your legs up here. Okay, this is kind of a rough example. It's kind of an ugly ass market structure, but nonetheless, the point still applies. So now within this point here, this entire time, we're just trying to figure out how to get our most intricate entry to continue price higher. You know what I'm saying? Pause. I don't know what I said, bro, but I know this coffee makes me hot in this hoodie, bro. Makes me super hot in this hoodie. Welcome, Wes. I don't know when you showed up, but this is good for you, bro, because I'm going through A through fucking Z, so this is good for you. And also everybody on Zoom, appreciate you guys for being here. You cannot unmute yourselves. It's just me talking this entire time. Brutal, I know. Okay. So buys. Look what happens here. We ended up breaking past these lows sitting right here. Initially, I do this every day, bro. Breaking past these lows initially here, but we're still looking for buys. There was probably a buy setup sitting right here to potentially take off of this liquid grab of this higher low. And then so we can take a minor little position here. And mind you guys, this could be a nice little 1 to 3 trade sitting here for us. We don't take that big of trades. This is just on the hourly time frame. And then obviously we tapped into supply and continue lower. But going to the right, we finally broke past this higher low. So now we're looking for sales. Obviously price doesn't want to come back within this range. And I just do this all day long, bro. All day long. And then we mark out our new points. And now this is our impulsive leg. Okay? So what happened from this point to this point? Just hit 2 RRNG, you got buys. Boom, bottom collar. Good job, bro. And then going to the right. Look what happens here. And that's this has now happened twice now since we've been doing this example. When we break past this lower high sitting here, guys, don't just start to think automatically, okay, we can start buying. That's where all the breakout traders are at. It's sitting at these points. As soon as you break past them, they can automatically guarantee you price is going to continue higher. And look what happens. We fucking take them out. We gained the liquidity we needed. We paired buyers with sellers. And we're now able to continue in the direction that the market was going to go in the first place, which we knew here because we're following our impulsive leg. Okay? We're selling this entire time. We don't care about this retracement. We're just looking to catch the bigger move, which is continuing down here. I hope this is making tons of sense to you guys. Okay? And so moving onwards and so forth, we start to break past this low here. We kind of consolidating around the point for a bit. And then boom, we finally confirm our break low to bring us down to our current day impulsive leg, which is bearish, which means we're only looking for sales today. Okay? And again, more often than not, this could absolutely, nothing is guaranteed in the markets. I hope we all understand that here. This could absolutely come up and start to take out these lower highs and just continue higher. But more often than not, it's not. We're going to hold sitting up here and price is going to continue lower as it has been doing. Okay, so that is our impulsive leg lesson 1 in the chat if you guys understand. 2 in the chat if you're like, what the fuck is going on? And appreciate all 29 of you for being here. Make sure you like the stream. It's kind of rough not having Nightbot in here. Yeah, Daniel, I know you understand. Alessandro, you guys are great. Thanks. What about somebody who's not in my group, bro? God. Anybody not in my group understand the lesson so far? Yes, okay. I'm glad my whole group understands. Any questions before we move on? Gustav does not understand. Well, you're in my group, bro. Josh Hammond is a 1.5. Kind of understand, kind of don't understand, a little rough. So, Josh, again, as I tell people, just if market structure gets confusing, make sure you move to the left until it's not confusing and put these lines up, bro. I have these lines every day on my charts too. I mean, I honestly didn't until I started my group, but it's very helpful for newer people to understand market structure just by having these points sitting here. And understanding just because we break past them doesn't mean we start to look for buys. We need to get that confirmed push away from the zone, confirming no liquid grab and that we indeed want to continue higher. You know what I'm saying? King J. Okay, so we got a couple people who are not in my group who are understanding the wave that I am trying to bring you guys along with. Okay, so now we can go down to our next step, which, let me copy this here. Where's it at? It was on GJ. Was it on GU? Oh, I deleted everything. That's why. We'll go to our next step, which is going down to 15-minute time frame and looking for our supply setup. So like in this, I forgot we were on replay mode. This is our current day impulsive leg right here, right? It was this guy sitting right here. And then obviously we broke past here. Obviously we're not going to start trading back in the range of this lower low. Obviously this is a new impulsive leg, right? We're just following the wave, bro. It should be really fucking simple, to be honest with you. It should be really fucking simple. And if it's not, maybe just move to the next pair that doesn't look so complicated, that's not moving sideways like this. You don't need to deal with the chop. You can just move to another pair. I mean, I guess some people just fall in love with one pair and want to trade one pair. It's beyond me. I'm not that type of trader. I am a strategy trader, not a I'm one with my pair trader. You know what I'm saying? Which that works for people too. But if my strategy doesn't line up with the pair, I don't go into the I know this pair mode. I've been trading this for 2 years. I know what's going to go on mode, because I don't. Because I trade my strategy. I don't trade a specific pair. You know. So understand this is our impulsive leg. Now we can go down to smaller time frames, which is 15-minute time frame and 5-minute time frame. Okay, and we can look for our 2 types of setups. So setups, I got 2 types of setups. Liquid grab, a previous session high and low. I think we should do like teaching Fridays. Like Monday we'll just go hard, and then Fridays I just teach you guys every Friday. You know, help out the masses. Or supply and demand zone. That's it. That's all I'm looking for. One of these is really fucking easy to mark out. The other one will become easy, but you know, it takes a bit of work. So liquid grab a previous session high or low. Okay? So I trade New York. So the previous session for me would be London. I don't care about Asian high and low. My liquid grabs are only of previous session high or low. That is all I'm looking for, bro. And so now going back to an hourly impulsive leg, have you do giveaway as yet? Have you do giveaway as yet? I have not giveaway as yet, my brother. Okay? We are polyamorous pair traders. Yeah, for real. Okay, so on NAS, we all understand that on the hourly, we're bearish for the day, right? You guys got that? You understand? Be nice here. We are bearish on the hourly time frame. So when we go down to my setups, look or grab a previous session high or low. If we're only looking for sales, then I'm only looking for a liquid grab of previous session highs, because I'm only looking to sell off. Okay? And so I have an indicator sitting right here. The only indicator I have that it does not tell me shit or have me predict price. It is just telling me where the high and the low are for the session. We do not use indicators as any type of king strategy. We have our 200 MA sitting up here, so we understand higher time frame trend. Pretty much if you're below the 200 MA, you're bearish. If you're above the 200 MA, you're bullish. But that's it. That's all we use. And so look what had happened here. We got London highs sitting up here. And if anybody doesn't understand what a liquid grab is, the market needs liquidity in order to move within a direction, meaning it needs to pair buyers with sellers in order to move in a direction. You cannot just have buyers in the market. You cannot just have sellers in the market, meaning it's a no-sum game, meaning somebody has to lose in order for somebody to win. And so how I always try to teach my students to view the market is to understand where the other end of the market stop losses are at so they can participate within the trade. You know what I'm saying? Because we have to take somebody else out in order for us to win. And so instead of just trying to fight with the markets, we're trying to understand where the opposite end people are at. So when I say liquid grab, it's pretty much just grabbing where we believe stop losses to be at, which obviously during London session, the high of London session, there's obviously going to be stop losses up there from the people who are trading London session who are bearish. They're going to put their stops above the range. And so if we can take them out, which we see here on the 15-minute time frame, again, we can bring it down. This is the London high sitting right here. If we can take them out, which we did right here with this fat, this is such a nice setup. Oh my God. With this fat fucking candle sitting right here. Now we understand we have liquidity in the markets to continue price down to where we want to continue it, which is where? Okay, so you would hop in right here. Which brings me into my third entry, and we'll go through a supply and demand. All the other ones have supply and demand levels except for this NAS. So I'm just specifically going through liquid grabs only for the setup. And so as soon as we took out these London highs, all these stop losses, as soon as that candle closes, and then we get a break below previous candle lows, who the fuck is that? Hold on one sec. This shit's going crazy. Join the live, guys. Oh, thank you, guys. Appreciate you. I didn't know I had, these weren't muted. Mute it for an hour. We basically wait for you to get taken out, then we enter. Yeah. And so my only entry strategy on the liquid grab, I have one rule, bro. So it's, you know, we break past it, this candle closes, and then we have to break past previous candle lows, okay? So this is the candle that closed right here. As soon as we break past previous candle lows, whether that's on the 5-minute or the 15-minute, you can enter the trade. We usually, more often than not, do it on the 5-minute if we're looking for a bit of extra confirmation because we didn't see a very clean grab like this of those highs. We can go to 15-minute and wait for 15-minute break of previous candle lows, which, you know, obviously just gave us a worse entry here. But the one rule I have with these liquid grabs is when it breaks past previous candle lows, it has to close back within this range, bro. This is so fucking important, so you guys have to understand this. It has to close back within this range here before you can take the trade, okay? Because if we come all the way up, kind of looks like a grab, but we close right here. This is the body of the candle. It closes right here, and then we break past that previous candle low right here. It could easily just be a break and retest of this area we just broke out of to continue higher, bro. You know what I'm saying? And so, where is Sai? He's no longer streaming with Fortunes NBA Savage. I forgot he did used to do Monday streams. It needs to break back within this range because if it doesn't, it's a breaker. So, like, be very cautious with that, bro. When you see that fucking grab, make sure that we're trading back within the range before you catch it. Obviously, as soon as 1-to-1 gets hit, we put stops to BE. And then my management plan is getting out of the market the same way I enter the market, which would be two ways, right? Either a liquid grab or a hold of a supply or demand level. And what happened here? Well, we ended up tapping into this demand. And then we ended up tapping this demand, getting a reaction. And then look at the break of previous candle highs sitting right here. Okay, and it sucks, a little small of a trade, but whatever. 1-to-1, who gives a shit? As soon as you break past this candle's highs right here, because this guy tapped in at close, but it never broke past the highs. You still stay in. This guy tapped in. We're getting reaction at close, but it never broke past high. And then finally right here, we broke past highs. This is telling you to get the hell out of the market because we're getting reaction at the same type of zone that we would enter the market at. Now, we wouldn't enter this trade because we're bearish as fuck for the day. We wouldn't enter this, but we just understand this is absolutely a level where price could reverse at, and look what happened. It ended up reversing. If you didn't take it out by being greedy or what have you, you would end up being yeeted from this market. Like what's happening right now. Oh, what did you say, Josh? Like what's happening right now, where it's a rise, retrace, continuation. Yes. I don't understand your question, bro. How are y'all doing? We're doing good, Lando. Thanks. We're doing good, guys. So that would have just been it. That would have been a one-to-one trade. We're always, by the way, for my trades, I'm always chasing previous session low. Always, always, always. If we've already broke out a previous session higher low, then I'll just be chasing the next low. But I don't go beyond my range. I'm a scalper, bro. I trade damn near every single fucking day. And so once we hit these lows, I don't look to extend past it because I don't need to lose money the same way I make money in the markets, which could be a potential liquid grab of previous session higher low. Obviously, I wouldn't take this trade if it came down and gave a liquid grab because I'm bearish for the day, but it could absolutely happen. And so I'm good to secure my profits down there and then move on with the day if I didn't have some type of management zone sitting up here where price reversed at, which that's just what happened today. So you'd have to pull out with the 1-1. Okay. Friday, it's reversal. Yeah. And if that's the thing, bro, if it doesn't give me what the fuck I want to see, I just won't take a trade. It doesn't bother me. I don't need to take a trade. I understand that more often than not, out of a 5-day period, I'm probably bare ass minimum going to take 3 trades, you know? So there's just no rush here on this side, bro. I'm chilling. I'm chilling. Okay. So let's move on to the next, fucking pair. These are long breakdowns. More often than not. I backtested AU as well with my strategy, and I got identical results to the ones I showed you. So that's AU and EU confirmed that it works. Yeah, Lando, just remember, one backtesting section doesn't mean fucking ass, my brother. You need to backtest multiple times to hold anything key within your strategy. It's good to get the data sets. Don't make me pull out my journal, bro. This is my new one. Yeah, don't make me pull out my journal, bro. Multiple backtesting sessions to hold anything king, okay? I promise you, I know it sounds crazy, but you can go backtest 5 different pairs today of the same thing you're backtesting, and you can kill all of them. Do really good, 80% on all of them, and I promise you it could be luck on all 5 fucking pairs, and you apply it right away without giving some solid data to backtest your edge or what you're trying to figure out, and everything could turn to shit. It takes time to achieve this, bro. But if you're getting the same results as your last backtesting session, which by the way was like 65%, doing very fucking well, you're on to something, bro. That's not fully luck. I'm just saying it takes more than one backtesting session of a month of data, or I think you did 2 months of data before holding anything king within your strategy. That is so important, bro. People get balls of steel in that Sunday backtesting session before they hop on the charts on Monday, bro. Big dick swanging. And then they just get like obliterated. And they're like, bro, I put in all the work. It's like, no, you didn't, bro. You fast track 2 months of knowledge into one session, which is good. That's a lot. That's a lot of work, but let's extend that out into like a year of knowledge over the course of 100 trades. What is our 1%? All things we talked about, but just to kind of reiterate that, bro, one session of back testing doesn't mean anything except you can tell yourself, okay, maybe I'm onto something here. Let me dive deeper into that. Okay. So let's go to the hourly time frame on EU. Okay. Like I told you guys, if things don't make sense, just move to the left until they do. This is obviously a all the work. Everybody doubted me left. I hate when people try to feel entitled. You know, it's crazy for ZenLab just to Eric think, I think in Eric's head, he thinks that everybody doubts him so much, but really does realize I think we all kind of fuck with him, you know? So here's the impulsive leg on the hourly here, bro. Okay, at least as of right now. So we can mark up our zone sitting here and see what the hell happened. Okay, so go to the right. Nothing happened. Remember, we do not care about this retracement. We're just trying to find our most intricate entry to continue a part of the next impulsive leg down. We don't care about the retracement. And so, and I wish I wouldn't have just deleted all my charts to do this with y'all so I could show you. There's no cap here, bro. When I have an impulsive leg, I will sell off this entire fucking thing, 4 or 5 trades here until we finally catch the big guy that continues lower. We'll do it. We just caught a nice 1 to 5 on Nas, practicing the same exact thing. It was 2 trades sitting over here. I had a win sitting over here, and then that day I had a loss that day. It came up just a wee bit higher, tapped into that final supply, and then boom, we had a 1 to 5 in what, fellas, like fucking 10, 15 minutes? Just by following the wave. Okay, so go to the right over here. Boom, we did break past this low sitting here, but then we started closing back within the range, right? So we don't need to move our impulsive leg yet. We just understand maybe this potentially being a liquid grab. We came back up to retrace a bit, and then boom, we're trying to break past these lows again. Still need to grab more liquidity breaking past lows. And then again, we're trying to break past lows, and it's just not happening. It's having a really fucking hard time breaking past this point. And so what do? We turn into market gods. We start to predict the market. We start to predict bottoms and start to say, okay, price has to fucking start buying up, right? Because we know where the market's going. No, I do not do that with my group. We understand price is still bearish, and no matter what consolidation is happening right here, we still expect price to continue lower. We're not getting caught up in the shit by calling a bottom in the middle of fucking nowhere. Okay? And so anyways, whether, and you know, with this instance, whether you had this is your impulsive leg here or this is your impulsive leg here, does it matter? What do we use the impulsive leg to decide whether we're going to buy or sell? Whether it's here, we're going to sell. Whether it's here, we're going to sell. So who gives a shit? You know? So going down to smaller time frames, we're just understand we're riding the wave here. Go down to 15-minute time frame. Let me bring back up my two forms of setups. And we'll mark them out together, okay? So first is a liquid grab a previous session high or low. Okay, well, London session high is sitting right here. Boom. It's already marked out for my handy dandy indicator here. And, ooh, I kind of want to pop this out. 1 second, guys. Makes it so much easier for me. Yeah. That's the one, son. You can now pin a message, yeah. Okay, and so we have London, previous session high, sitting right here to take out. And now we can go to our second setup, which is supply and demand zone. So I can mark out an hourly supply and an hourly demand. I will mark it out to understand where price could potentially reverse at. But if we were to come up into this, I'm not just going to go down to 5-minute and wait for a 5-minute candle to break previous candle and then take the trade. That doesn't line up with the strategy. If this was a 15 or 5-minute setup, I would do that, but this is an hourly setup. So I can't expect one 5-minute candle to reverse this whole momentum continuing higher. And so what we do when I tap into the zone is I go down to smaller time frames and wait for that 5 or 15-minute structure to match up with it, bro. Okay, start to create a lower high, a lower low, then come back up into some type of supply setup to continue price lower. Hope that makes sense to you. I don't just take hourly setups. So we do have a hourly supply sitting up here. Go down to 5-minute or go down to 15-minute. It's a 15-minute supply as well. Go down to 5-minute. It is a 5-minute supply as well. Okay, so it's actually all in the same fucking place. 5 and 15-minute supply. Did we have some form of position side calculator anywhere? People like to make their story sound cool, like there's nothing wrong with growing up in a good income household. Oh yeah, we talked about that yesterday, bro. I grew up in a very nice household, you know, very middle class. You know, I guess I couldn't go to the fucking I couldn't go to the the field trip. You know that the field trips were like that you travel out of the country and stuff. My mom didn't have money for like that cool ass shit, but like, you know, I had lunch money every day. I had brand new shoes 2-3 times a year, and I was a very average, nice, good household if anybody was wondering, by the way. Okay, shout out to you, mama, you the shit. Single mother, did it all on her own, straight up beast. OG, big time, you know, love that lady. So shout out to you, mama, who will never ever watch any of my streams or my girlfriend or any of my friends. Sheesh, it's kind of sad. Yeah, so 5 and 15 minute supply. So if we come up here and we tap into the zone, which is going to happen here soon, we could potentially look to take the trade. But I want to make something very clear, bro, for you new people. I'm not in your group, but you explain good. Oh, dope, bro. Appreciate that. I won't just take a supply zone if there's not a major or minor high to take out before coming up into the zone. Well, what does that mean? Well, let's bring it down like this. Okay. Here's our supply. Am I on my phone? I am, bro. Thought I heard myself in my ear. Shit. Yeah. He's fucking with you, King Israel. He said, I think you know what that means, that you need to be in my group, is what he's saying. So here's the supply sitting up here. If price comes all the way down and taps right up into this, I will not take this trade, bro. Because remember, I was telling you, we need to pair buyers with sellers before we can continue price in a direction everybody knows it's already going. I don't see anybody's stop losses being taken out here. Okay? And so more often than not, when we try to get into shit like this whipsaw type of setup, what ends up happening is we end up being the stop loss that it takes out. And then it continues lower. You know? And so for every setup, I need to have a minor or major high to be taken out before coming up into my zone to continue lower. Okay? So a minor high to take out, which is going to be this guy sitting right here, which is going to be these stop losses sitting right here from these early sellers. It's a minor high because when the high was created, it didn't create a new low. Okay? Or we can take out a major high before coming up into our zone to continue lower. This is a major high to take out before coming up in our zone because it created a new low after it was created. Okay? So make sure that is in the fucking books, bro. If you don't have a major or minor high to take out before coming up into the zone, it is an invalidated trade. Can you imagine how many stop losses are sitting right here? Stop losses here, stop losses here, stop losses here. Everybody sees lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, especially right here. A lot of sellers are starting to get into the market because they're seeing that bearish momentum. And so now we all know price is going to continue lower for the day. But now here we are being smart traders. SMC. I am a smart trader. I'm a smart man. And take out all these stop losses, come up, tap into our zone, and then we can look to take price lower, which kind of looks like it's going to happen right here. Okay? And now here's the thing with me. Let's say we hop into this trade right now. Okay? It taps in, which is literally about to right now. So we might have to cut this short because I'm only on my second pair to break down, bro. Jeez. In an hour? Time flies. Time flies. And we break previous candle lows. Okay, let's just do the whole scenario. Boom. And we get a little bit of a little some, but then boom, takes us out. We lost. Okay. At this point, we just call it, bro. We go home. We fucking cry. We bitch to everybody. Say, lose our fucking mind. No, I'm just kidding. If the zone still holds, and we get a break a previous candle low again, I will absolutely give my trade a second chance. The trade idea is still valid. I just use really tight stop losses, and there it hits right there. I just use really tight stop losses so I don't have to, so I can get higher R to R within my trade. But understanding that when I do that and I don't put it to the top of the range, I'm going to have to give my trade a second chance. I just get in just a bit too early. Okay? This is a pretty fat fucking zone. And so let's see where that 15 minute is at. Oh, it's way down there. Oh, but we have 1 minute, 30 seconds till this closes. Interesting. Downtrend supply looking good. Yeah, bro. Let me see what's happening with AU, GU. Looking to come all the way up. So yeah, let me focus in on this for a second, and then we'll keep growing just in case I need to call this and hop in this thing. If anybody has any questions, let me know. I'm here. I can fucking quadruple task, I promise you. I have to call. I do my signals the whole way through, bro. I put all fucking TPs in before I send it and all that extra shit. So, I just need some time, man. Glad to see you added to the list of main dishes. Yeah. 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 Did we take a EU trade this week? Yeah. Our first EU trade was a loss, King. I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro. I'm not gonna hold you. We'll give her a round 2 here, okay? We'll see what the fuck happens at this point. But we can't take 15 minute because I'm not gonna take a 12 pip stop loss. There's no R to R there. It's 1 to 2.5. But I would like it to push just a bit further into the zone. Oh, what it's doing right now. Give us a fat wick. Run that thing up, tap in a little bit, and then continue lower. Great, whatever. Okay, entry. There we go. Okay. So now, if we're to come all the way the hell up, and remember, this 30-minute candle just opened. This 15-minute candle just opened. This 5-minute candle just opened, bro. And so we have to create a top wick before we create a bottom wick. Always, always, always. So you guys remember that shit, bro. Not in yet. So you know. Okay, more often than not, if you move to the left, you're going to hear me say this a million times during my stream, more often than not. If you move to the left, every fucking candle has a top or bottom wick. More often than not. Every candle. Okay? And so what makes you think that this candle is not going to create a top and bottom wick as well? Just kind of understanding the more often than not game will help you guys a lot with a lot of unanswered questions you may have. Okay, as with all my trades, as soon as it passes the red line, meaning this red line on the position, not this red line here, you enter the trade. Okay, I will obviously tell you guys I'm in, and then I'll come over here and then I'll switch this over to I'm in. But I got to do all that, and I still have to send the signal out to my group, and I still have to get in the trade myself. So just understand, like, we go past this red line, I will absolutely be in this trade, 1,000% sure. And then it'll be nice if we can get a trade today and run through full management with you guys and, all the fun stuff. Dude, my face is so big on this. It's hard for you guys to see zones and shit. That's what I told him. It's a bitch. Okay, so get ready here. Missed my position. On what, bro? And then, damn, I have my magic keys open? Come on, bro. Hey, shout out to Tozen and whoever else told me about that shit earlier, bro. Awesome. About that new EA, hella badass, bro. Seriously. And it's not an EA to help me trade, guys. It's an EA for a position size calculator. So don't come at me, bro. And this is going to be a 1 to 5 here. If we can hit ultimate lows. Wouldn't that be nice? Be a nice way to end the Friday. We only have 2 management zones. So here, if we get a reaction here, we can get out. Reaction here, get out. Besides that, we're cooling. That's what I was asking about. I need that info. Oh, yeah, King. Yeah, bro. Yes, you do. 100%, bro. New, come on, baby. Oh, here, let me, zoom in for y'all. But get ready here. Be about 8. We're so close. We're so close. Okay, let's run it. May have to give this trade a second chance. We will see. But I'm in here. I'm in. The group is in. I'm in. I'm in, I'm in, I'm in, I'm in, I'm in. Okay, let's see what happens. So if we can get a TP1 sitting right here, I always put my stops to BE, as you see over here. That's to break even. I hope people know what BE is. Try to make things as so simple as possible. Let me switch that template. Save as stops to BE. And this is a trade, big dog. Yeah, son. Let's see what happens. It would be nice to have a what's it called? A nice little dub for you guys on this fine Friday, you know? I'm with it. Modify, bring down, modify. Bring down here too. Yeah. My first trade in 2 weeks. Damn, bro, why? Just why? Just want to know why. We got 37 people in here. I don't want to miss this drop, but I got to go feed my dogs and I have to pee all at the same time. So hopefully we can just get a melt right now so I can go do both of those. Yo, ZenLab, bro. I know, Daniel. Have you guys noticed every time we get into a trade I have to pee? Or is it just me? Every time, bro. I don't want to miss the dub. I gotta pee though. It's fuck it, whatever, dude. Somebody else put dubs in the chat if we win and whatever. Just give me a second. The dogs can wait though. So sad, bro. Trying to watch my cat eat with. You guys have fun and get some dubs. Yeah, later, bro. My poor cat, bro, has a fucking cone on right now. And he's like, so sad. Trying to like watch him eat, bro. But the bowl's small. I need to get him like a taller raised bowl, but he's like trying to like like push it out. It's so sad. This trade is looking decent here, guys. So we should at least be fine for TP1 to put our stops at B and see if we can get some higher R to R here. Obviously anything could happen, but doesn't look bad, sir. And everything else is non-existent right now, which we'll go through it all. I just want to run this band up real quick, you know. Spreads killed me once. Oh yeah, Josh, why did you My first trade in 2 weeks. Been trying to study my strat more. Oh, okay. What is your strat? Dude, my spreads are fire on E right now. Yeah. Daniel, you need this one, bro. This one's for you, Daniel. Unless it loses, then this one's not for you. Okay. This one's for you, bro. I love this camera setup, though, fellas. Like, it's so nice to me. I think it looks so clean. Especially for Fortunes, because I put the red with the green, which kind of makes like a yellow. Yeah, but yeah, it's bro. It's beautiful. I love it. Zen Labs is one of the best parts of my day, even on no trade days. You guys are the best, dude. Appreciate that, bro. We have very good vibes in here at all times. But when we need to get educational, you know, we'll send that in there too. Like I always tell people, there's a lot of traders who are very well at trading, but their strategy is super fucking hard to duplicate. You know what I'm saying? I think, just like we did a poll the other day, I put a poll up and I said, do you think I can teach this strategy to a 9-year-old? And most people said yes. I think it is very fucking elementary, bro. I think it is very, very rule-based. There's no if, you know, I feel this way, or we're kind of looking bearish or looking bullish for the time. It's none of that shit. I think it's so rule-based. And so if you guys are struggling with needing to be more robotic and not so emotional within your trading, my boy, I'm here for you. It's a 1, 2, 3 type of thing every day. Nothing is different. Every single day I hop on the charts, my group has all of the same trades as me damn near. Every single time. Because it's that easy. I hop on and I see everybody's chart markups. They already have the same markups as me before I even hop on. Every time, bro. Because it's that elementary. Like, did you guys ever used to follow, like, your favorite mentor or whatever, and you, like, and no shade, bro, I'm just talking. And you'd ever go on their chart, and it's like, what the fuck is he looking at, bro? Like, I know that I went through his course and shit, but, like, what the fuck is this? You know? So I just, and maybe that's just me thinking that I'm giving a very simplistic approach to the markets, but seriously, I think it's a very rule-based 1, 2, 3. If 1, 2, 3 doesn't line up, don't take the trade. Don't need to put any emotions or additional analysis. We don't use fundamentals. We just stay away from fundamentals. So when fundamentals come up within 30 minutes, we just won't trade. We'll just stay away from it. Now, of course, I'm working for a man named James Storms, who is the fucking fundamental king. And so we'll get there. I might have to learn what the man does. Maybe potentially put some fundamentals into the trade in one day. Whatever. Progression is the key. I'm always an open-minded trader. But the foundation of what I do always remains the same. 3-step strategy, impulsive leg, identify your zones, enter off a reaction. That's it. Keep it simple is definitely wise. Yeah. Okay, so there's nothing here to, like, I don't do anything here, guys. You put your stops to break even and see if we can hit higher TPs or not. I always tell people the only thing that is a discrepancy within my strategy is what happens at 1-to-1. When we come down here, especially right here, there's no demand telling us to get out of this trade. It's literally just us putting stops to break even at a 1-to-1 for capital preservation. That's all it is, and I do it every single time. But if you want to make sure you capitalize off the trade and you get some type of break of previous candle high sitting right here and you need to get out of the trade, sure, do your thing, bro. Sure, do your thing, get out of the trade. But me, unless I have some type of demand sitting here, more often than not, I'm waiting to actually get out the same way I enter, which is at a reaction from a zone. So I can manage here, I can manage here, but besides these 2 points, I just have to hold and see what happens. Okay? Let's go, Emmett. Yeah, this is personal, dude. I want a nice win for the first Friday, you know? Once you get in for a while, you don't care. It's like, all right, play the strategy. But the first time in Fortunes, it was a break-even day. We got 2 wins, 1 loss, and then 1 break-even day. And then today is going to be probably like a 1 to 50 trade. So we'll have that on the repertoire too. But it's always the first day, like my first day in my group, bro. Let's go look at it, which is May. Was a win. Starters and we started off with a win. What did I start off bad? I don't know, but it's always personal. It's always that first trade is personal. So if we can get a nice little dub here and keep it rocking. Now I don't win anything when I hit a 1-to-1, but for me, capital preservation, if it were to break even, I'm happy with it, dude. We chase higher RR, so we have to understand break evens will happen, but no need to lose a winning trade, you know? Skill can pay the bill. Skill can pay the bill, brother. Skill pays the bill. I get my strat from Sai. Oh, okay. I'm not too sure how he trades, but I never got the chance to watch one of his videos. You know? I think it's very simple. I'm trying to get a few of my boys to pick Forex back up and get into Zen Labs. Bro, let's run it. I don't, like, I'll be honest, bro. I don't understand how people get away from trading. It was just never a thing in my head. Even when I was doing fucking awful, I never was like, dude, I gotta stop this shit. I don't know. Like I've had bad days where I'm like, oh, bro, it's making me fucking sick, and I'm tired of fucking dealing with this, bro. Like, when am I gonna figure this shit the fuck out? And I used to just get so upset, but I never was like, dude, fuck this, bro. This is it. I'm done. Just fucking drop the pens. I'm done. It was never that way for me. My strategy simple. Is it, Romaine? Emmett, where are you from? I'm from New York, bro. I was born in Rochester, New York. I was out there till I was 5 or 6 years old. And then I moved out to Colorado, Colorado Springs, Colorado, till I was, like fucking, oh, this doesn't look good. Till I was like 8 years old or something. And I didn't put stats to be, guys. I'm cooling in this. Might have to give it a second chance. And then I moved to California, to San Jose for a year. I got in trouble at school, in elementary school, because I fucking picked up a fucking BB gun at school. I found it in an alley. I picked up a BB gun. I guess I was showing my friends and called the cops. Got me taken out of school, in elementary school. My mom was like, fuck this. I don't want him living here anymore. It's a bad area, which it wasn't. She's just a nice, sweet lady. Moved me back to Colorado. I lived out there until I was 26, and then I moved here to Florida. I'm 28 now. For real, bro, even though I am struggling to get myself funded, I will never give up. Yeah. Sometimes you just gotta run it, bro. Not gonna lie. Sometimes you just gotta run it. This doesn't look too pretty now, guys. It might have to give, but it, like the 15-minute opened up, no bottom wick at all, and we're continuing higher. So more often than not, as you guys see, we do have a top and bottom wick more often than not. So maybe we're just creating this top wick. Hopefully this 200 can continue to hold like it has been for us, and melt lower. I mean, this is bread and butter. That's very clean with that 200 there. Bread and butter setup, and then you go to 5-minute and 200's holding against us. Damn, you moved a lot. Oh yeah, bro. I mean, not 4 times. We're about to move again, bro. I'm out of Florida. Got me fucked up. I'm gonna go feed my other dog, guys. We're not missing anything but sitting in drawdown. Yeah, we're about to move out of here and move to Tennessee here soon. Your 200 is in a whole another spot than mine. What do you use? EMA, SMA? Does anybody need a lesson on moving averages? Does everybody understand what a moving average is? What does it do for you? Why to use it? Yay, nay? To be totally honest with you, I really just don't use it that much anymore, bro. Oh, Jackal's the one who said 200 different level? Oh, you know what the fuck going on out here, bro. Damn, I got paid today, bro. From what? What the fuck? From what? Oh, it's from the group because dude bought a lifetime. Shout out to you, bro. If you're here, you bought lifetime signals. Holy fuck. Or not lifetime. I don't do lifetime. He bought a year signals. Ain't nobody getting my everything for life, bro. Isn't that crazy? Could you imagine? Like, shout out to people who do that. I think it's awesome. I just think that, I'm able to respect myself enough to not give somebody one price to get everything I ever come out with for the rest of my life. It's kind of crazy. You get paid for the kindness of your heart. Yeah, bro. Oh, dude. I am a value giver, bro. I fucking enjoy this shit so much, bro. I'm gonna be doing this forever. I literally enjoy every part of it. I like the content creating. I like the being on live every day. I like the motivating posts on Instagram that help you guys out. I like fucking all of it, bro. I'm here, bro. It's everything I've ever wanted to do. I'm doing it, except for winning this trade. That's it. That's the last part of the puzzle. But I will be doing this forever, fellas. Straight up. Talk about like finding passion and shit. Like, I enjoy so much where I can actually bring people to their frustration of the markets and not getting anywhere from these influencers who teach horse shit, and actually can give them a structured plan as to how to get from point B from where they're at now. And showing and being able to see your guys' real progression based off of what I'm teaching you. I think I used to be so frustrated in myself that I've been trading so long and never got to the point that I wanted to get to because I was prohibiting my success, whether it was just like not taking things seriously, not journaling, switching strategies, whatever the fuck. But now looking back, I think that was all supposed to happen for a reason so I could understand what point you guys are all at because I learned everything. There's really not that many there's a ton of strategies in the market, but like people are really like supply and demand trader, support and resistance trader, a fundamentals trader. That's kind of all there is. And so me trying to learn all of them, I can understand when people are struggling and they come to me how to direct them in a way to actually understand the markets and make a fucking profit, bro. But as I always tell people, I can only give you the foundation. Anything going beyond me making you probably a 60 to 65% trader if I'm killing it. I'm about a 70 to 75% trader. I feel like I can make you a 60, 65% trader at bare max if I'm killing it and you understand what I'm putting down. But for you to be able to up yourself into that next percentage level, to get above that 20%, experience, brother, sample sizing, journaling, controlling your emotions of the simple fact of just not allowing them to make decisions before you because you're trading based off of your plan. And then that's when you're able to up your percentage. I'm such a firm believer of that. I think if I was a 95% trader right now, the best I can teach you to be is a 70% trader. Anything beyond that, it just takes your time and your experience to get to that next level. I'm so serious, bro. All I can give you is a foundation. Let me just make sure I'm not missing anything on higher time frames. Give me a sec, guys. Not on our trade, but for these trades. And then we'll come back to it. It's not looking too pretty anyways. Okay, so all I see is GU. What's up, bro? What are you looking at on GU? Still struggling to find the consistency of moving forward. Currently, I feel stagnant. Why? Stagnant as far as what? Like you're breaking even, you're not making money, you're losing money, you're making money, but then you're giving it back. What is the actual issue, Isolar, that's making you feel stagnant? Because this is fucked up right here. I asked you that question, and I bet you know. I bet you're gonna reply to me and tell me what you're doing wrong. That's that shit, bro. I made a whole post about it. It's like, most of you guys know exactly what you're doing wrong. You just continue to do it and say, I need to work on not over trading. I need to work on to keep over leveraging, or I lose a trade and the next trade, I double down on my risk. I got to stop that shit. Okay. Guess what you got to do? I don't need to teach you that. You already know what you're doing wrong. You're just having issues with your plan. What a bitch, dude. I still think we're gonna, and we have two opportunities here, guys. Like this setup is far from over, because we can give this trade a second chance here within the same supply, or if we come up here and take out these London highs for our first setup over here, it's another entry. Obviously, I don't want to trade I don't want to hit 3 trades today on one pair, especially EU that I just introduced to my group just today, bro. Or just this week. I just took my first ever trade on EU this week. We've been sample sizing it for probably a good 2 months now, marking it up every day, talking about it, and it's been kind of coming correct. And so I'm like, all right, bro, let's play. And here it is, just disrespecting the fuck out of us. And playing around plus 3% and negative 3%. Yeah. Yeah, and the only thing that's going to pull you out of that is R to R, bro. In my opinion, and I could be wrong, the reason I think you're struggling with is you're pulling out of your positions too early because you're trying to recover losses. Allow it to run. Allow your losers to lose and allow your winners to win. You guys all are hella down for your loss to lose right now. Like no one has that much emotion right now that we're in drawdown. You guys are annoyed, but I feel like you have less emotion here now, losing your money, than you do if we were sitting right here right now. Down here, you're like fucking losing it. And for you guys who are dealing with that, just understand, bro. You will never get to the point you want to get to by being a fucking puss. I'm being totally honest. Do you want to get to the level that we're at? You want to live the life of your dreams and such? Then allow your winners to win and accept your losers to lose. You guys accept the red all day long. Within you guys, I'm saying myself as well. I used to be so bad with it. I'm so down to be in drawdown. I'm so down to go down to 1 minute time frame and look at like, okay, where can I scale into this position and make this better? And I'm so down, bro. I'm so like courageous, whatever the fuck the word is. I know this trade's gonna dub out and I'm good and shit. But then as soon as we start getting a profit, it's like the emotions go out the window. It's like, oh my God, should I close right here, bro? Like I'm up $200 right now. And all these emotions start coming in and shit. So you're allowing your losers to lose. You don't allow your winners to win. And that'll just prohibit the fuck out of you, bro. When you get that dub, run that thing. For others of you who have an issue with allowing your traders to run and need a management plan, focus on what I was telling you earlier. If you enter the market from some certain way, try exiting the market that same exact way. Okay, so once you enter the market, you understand trends. So you understand more often than not, all these zones are going to be obliterated because these are all against trend. But just have them marked out there and see what happens. And then if you get a reaction there, get out of the trade and then see what happens at that point. More often than not, does it continue lower than that point? Or more often than not, does it reverse from that point and it was good to manage? Okay? Yeah, I'm about to get fucked here. It's about to take me out. So annoying. Yo, I did that on the NAS trade. I took out partials once, and that's why I only covered my losses and did not make a profit. Instead of 5%, I only hit 3%. Dude, I know it's nerve-wracking as fuck, bro. To be up 2-3% and you're fucking freaking out and you're like, what do I do? And that's why I've came up with an entire management plan as to what do you do. Simple. Okay, it comes to the zone. We get a break of previous. It's as simple as that. So, this is super annoying, bro. Maybe GJ can just tap here right quick, or GU, and then melt. I won't take it, as you guys know, because there's no major minor high to take out before coming up into our zone first, before continuing lower. But I just want that to happen so our trade can just start to melt off as well. That's the only reason. It's anybody's game here, fellers, but I was about 1.7 pips away from being taken out of this trade. Like, yikes. Without trading with my motion, it just seems like I choose to pick the wrong zones more than I do on backtesting, even though they still follow my rules. Really? Yeah, bro, and that's why I have set rules for these zones, you know? Like all my zones, you guys know we have 3 rules. One, it has to have a gap sitting before the zone, period. If there's no gap sitting before the zone, I will not take the trade. 2, this zone cannot be tapped into before. It has to be a fresh zone. And so if we came down and we tapped in and we already had our reaction and we come back up into it, I'm not taking this trade here, bro. It has to be a fresh zone. Keep thinking my campus here. That's rule number 2. And then rule number 3 is it cannot have a zone sitting directly above or below it, depending on a buy or sell. If it's a sell, there can't be a zone directly above it. If it is a buy, there can't be a zone directly below it. What does that mean, Emmett? Well, let's say there was a supply sitting right here, right? Right below this supply sitting up here. And there's a nice gap sitting before it wasn't tapped into before. We don't give a shit. We're not taking it because there's a zone sitting right above it. And more often than not, if there's a zone sitting right above a previous zone, it is going to take out the lower zone, tap into the higher zone, i.e. take out all these early sellers down here, come up into the higher zone, and then continue lower. Okay? Try that, bro. Try to follow those 3 rules within your zone and see if that works out for you. Now, if that doesn't work out for you from that point, then start to mesh in, which I know you don't do. I know you're down to take a retracement trade, but try the impulsive leg, bro, and having one bias for the day and see what happens. See what happens. This is everything I've done. I'm running you guys through the mindset of what I did to get to the point of where I'm at, bro. It's just sample sizing minor little things. Okay, why is this happening? I just did a sample sizing test with my group. When was that, guys? On Sunday. Because I was noticing just lately, a lot of the times my supply and demand zones would be taken out by just a little bit, a liquid grab, and then price would continue lower. As you guys know, I only take liquid grab a previous session high or low. And so I said, you know what? Let's go do a sample sizing session and see if this is actually, continuing to happen. And so we did a back testing session, liquid grabs a previous session high or low. We did liquid grabs a previous day high or low. And then we did liquid grabs of valid supply and demand. What do I mean by valid supply and demand? If we would take that supply and demand zone, wait for it to be taken out, and then enter it based off of a break back into that zone or below it, and then, entering. Dude, it was a fucking phenomenal backtesting session. We killed it. And so you know what I did? I said, fuck my whole strategy. I'm just going to start using that. No, bro. I just realized, okay, this is something I'm starting to notice. Maybe I can backtest it a couple times and understand, okay, these liquid grab setups are very powerful. As we know, my group knows, my liquid grab setup is over a 90% win rate. The supply and demand setup is about a 70-75% win rate. And so liquid grabs do a lot better, bro. I'm not going to give up my 75% setup of supply and demand, but just understand these liquid grabs are powerful. And so if we start to do, 3, 4, 5 back testing sessions, and this continues to prove that, wow, these are powerful in previous day high and low, and supply and demand as well, not just previous session high or low, at some point I could potentially add that to the repertoire. I am very open-minded. I just have to make sure things come correct, and I sample size deeply before I just start, actually applying it to real funds in the markets. Sample sizing, bro. Where I am today, I didn't even trade like this a year. Well, I did a year ago, but I guess 2 years ago. But there's multiple minor little things I've done to get to the point where I'm at. Just making that point. Okay. Hello guys. What's up, everyone? What's up, Meg? 47 minutes till news. My man, I'm well aware, bro. So I want this bitch to just melt. Yeah, we have PMI, which I do not want to be a part of at all. Like, I'm down to be out of this before PMI, 100%. I'm not a news trader. I don't like trading around it. I don't like trading before it. And we don't trade 30 minutes before it. So if it hits 9:15 and we weren't in a trade, that would just be it. We'd say, all right, we're not in a trade. This is anybody's game here, bro. We're just kind of seeing what the fuck is going to happen. I thought for sure I'd already be taken out of this, but now we're continuing lower. Did it tap into a 1 minute supply? It did. King, you better be back testing that shit, bro. Look at that. There was no break of structure for me. Like the structure's down here, so I feel y'all, but just chilling. But it's anybody's game, bro. Anything can happen here. Might close at BE. I feel you, Josh. Do that, bro. I got time before noon, so I'm cooling. If you guys want to close at BE here, I'll put that to my group too. If you want to close at BE here, news in 45. I'm holding, but may close closer to news. Oh, guys, we got a model in the building. What's up, Joe? We got a model in the building. Yeah, he turned his camera off. He said, "Oh shit." You can't unmute, bro. What's up, bro? Wes, Sergio, Mr. Book King, Daniel, Callie, Alessandro. What's up, fellas? It's anybody's game, fellas. Honestly, it's anybody's game. We have now tapped into this little supply here, bro. So hopefully we can just melt the fuck off. But again, I can't take it because there's no minor or major low to take out before coming into the zone, guys. Really appreciate taking the time to reply. Yeah, bro, of course, dude. Just blew my tires, left left. Fuck my whip up. Ah, fuck, bro. Bro, TFT scared me when they stopped using deal. I don't think they stopped using deal, bro. Deal stopped using everybody. Amber alert, may double top. Let's not, bro. Like, I'm good for it to melt now, dude. I really don't want to give this trade a second chance. It's ready to go. I absolutely will, but I don't want to. Yes, sir. One minute looks just ugly. 5 minute looks fine. I just wanted this 5 minute previous candle to just melt past the further one, but it closed back within the range. So it's like just showing that we're creating some little fucking support here for some reason, which sucks. Now we broke past previous candle highs. Like, the chances of this coming back down at this point are very, very low, guys, to be totally honest. We've already made the bottom wick of this 5 minute or this 15 minute and then flipped. Like, it just looks rough. It was clean. Nothing I can do here. Like, more often than not, bro, I try to manage from this point and fucking pull out, and then we end up yeeting down. Like, I've tested many waters with the hopping out of my trade BE shit, bro. Straight up, I have. Or in drawdown. It just doesn't work out for me. That's why I ain't go BE. I'm holding. Amber alert, you don't need to. Wham it. Why are we 45 here yet? Very few likes. 28 likes. Yeah, that's on you guys though, bro. If the giveaway, you have to match likes with concurrent viewers. It's not that hard. What do we got? We got 44 people in here. Yeah, I mean, it's up to you guys, bro. Do you want to account? You have to press a button. I don't think it's like too fucked up to ask. Help us grow. We help you make money, I don't think that's too much to ask you guys. But appreciate y'all. Value, bro? Gosh. GU's blowing past the zone. It might come all the way up into the supply, which sucks too because I can't really give the trade a second chance, bro, because it's coming into news. I'm not trading news, so then it just fucks up the whole setup, bro. Blows my mind there's only 44 people in here. This shit is gold. Yeah, bro. And the first time I came out, I mean, I marketed the fuck out of it. And mind you, Pips Poppy, I don't have a big following, bro. I got like 2,500 people. Hold on one sec. Let me see. I don't have a big following, bro, but I have a strong following. 2487. I have a strong following. But you know, we'll get there, bro. It's just I think that you know, while it's hot and while it's small, it's good. You know, you guys hop on here, ask me all the questions you want. I'm very easy to access. You can DM me, bro. I don't have DMs, bro. You know? Like look, bro. I got you, bro. Hit me. I got I got no messages right now. 3 messages right now. You know what I'm saying? I got you, bro. So while it's not flowing and the people aren't going crazy, you know, hit your boy. Do you have backtesting videos? I don't know how to do it. Yeah, bro. Let me go ahead and market myself here. Go to my videos on Emma.trades and then backtest with me. They're long, bro. I mean, long enough. You got a 30-minute one, you got a 30-minute here. Okay? But that's just backtesting with me and my strategy. So if you have your own strategy, you know, like that's up to you. But this is everything. This is my whole shit. Okay? So if you guys get the fundamentals down, the the foundation down of this, then you can go over to live and watch just an insane amount of hours of shit every day. We trade live every day. Every day, every day, every day, every day, every day, every day, every day. I have 118 videos. Okay? So everything can be learned for free from me, and not just like, and heavy on this too. I did not start my YouTube channel until I knew exactly how I wanted to run it. So I don't have older videos of things I used to do versus that I don't do now. Everything is the exact same from the start until now. So you guys won't be construed with different things that, you know, I used to like and I found out didn't work, or no, it's consistent, baby. That's all I preach is consistency. Is there any giveaway today, sir? Yes, my brother. Yeah, or my lady. Yes, there is a giveaway today. Yes, yes, yes. Of course there's a giveaway today. There's a giveaway every day. I give away my soul to you guys so you can become a profitable trader. You know, that's already been given away fucking 5 months ago. Where are you at? Just subscribe. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel I'm on. Okay? Fortunes Funding. Make sure you guys subscribe to our channel. We going up, baby. The fucking CEO of this company is absolutely amazing. The hardest work I've ever met in my life, bro. Don't even get me started, dude. And I'm the hardest work I've ever met in my life. I mean that shit. But then I met that guy. This is so fucking boring, bro. Like, what are you gonna do? I just hate it sitting like this right before news. It's just annoying, bro. Like, it's just, what are we gonna do? We want to send it, or? Oh, it's a little bit better. Maybe I just need to talk shit. Okay, 49 viewers and 44 likes. See, bro? You guys are amazing. Thank you very much. Okay, if we can get up to... actually, I'm going to make that a milestone. Okay? So for Fortunes, where's my Fortunes page? Fortune stream. So for you guys, if we can get up to 100 viewers within the next, what's realistic? Because what's realistic? What's realistic? Because I have to market, and I have to market it. You know, I'm gonna get James to give out a 100k challenge. We just have to figure out a way for you guys to work for. Like, if we can get another 100 people current views, then we could run it, which is easy as fuck. I did it my first stream and I had the lowest following out of everybody in Fortunes, and I'm the one who did it, so we can do it. 2 weeks, Wendy? 2 weeks? That's very hard to do. If we can get 100 viewers in 2 weeks, we'll give a 100k giveaway, or just fuck with them and be like, bro, 200k giveaway. You know, bro, 300k giveaway. 3 100k giveaways. Blow it in 2 hours. Don't bring that shit over here, bro. Don't bring that shit over here, bro. That pissed me off so bad yesterday. The disrespect. But I'm going to bring it over here. We'll talk about it for 5 seconds, okay? So I bought 2 challenges for people yesterday. I don't get them for free. I buy them for people, and gave them out yesterday, and somebody blew the challenge in 2 hours, bro. And leave her alone. Or leave it alone, bro. Come on, bro. I'm gonna be name dropping this shit. It's not nice. Okay. Yes, but just moving on, bro. What? You're giving 100K challenge? Do 250K or 425Ks. What about 100Ks, Meg? Emmett, go check New York Discord. Bro, no way, bro. I'm about to go watch it. I'm not King, I swear to God, bro. I'll come get your ass in Canada, motherfucker. Drake having ass. Don't get me started. I'm about to go watch it before I watch it online. Hold on. Emmett dot breaking news: legendary forex influencer guru known as Emmett Trades comes out as gay. Yeah, bro. And you know the first time I came out. Oh, yeah. You're so fucked up, bro. The trade's going good, guys. We got a second. Oh, you can't hear it. Hold on. So stupid. I can't stand you motherfuckers, bro. He said, Brandon said, first time? There's multiple times. Oh my God. It's fucked up, bro. Yo, can we, I'm so close to putting my stops to break even, so be cautious here, guys. I don't want to be during this news, bro. I want that PMI R to R, but I don't want to be in during news. I'm not that guy. Do look what Luca does on his stream, where he gives out two at any point in the stream, and then the larger account towards the end. I don't have the poll though. Wendy, I was told to give out a 25K every day or every week, so I just have to call him and ask him like, yo, how much can I give out, bro? You know? People said everyone's gonna stop watching my stream unless I give out, bro. We gotta put out, bro. We got 57 likes and 47 viewers. It's beautiful, dude. Jesus, it's fucking beautiful. Staying during news paid off last time with Naz. Yeah, bro. Don't make me more often than not, you, my guy. We've been through this. We've been through this. You know? Where's my t-shirt? Yeah, right. Fuck out of here. I know somebody closed and draw down their punch in the air right now. Yeah, bro. Yeah, no, it's all good. If you guys closed out, I think that was a pussy ass move, bro. And quit being soft. I'm just kidding. It was a good move. We got news coming up. I'm just joking. This week was shit for me. I'm negative 3R. Paul said, my bad, bro. We got to be a little professional here. If you guys want to get a little less professional, my streams are a little less professional. You know? You know? Just keep waiting. Just keep waiting. Just keep waiting, waiting, waiting. What do? We wait. Toxic Thursdays will elevate. No, if he comes in here, bro, he's got to go. We have somebody sending like porn in my group and shit, bro. I had to delete him out. I'm like, I forget. We got a couple 4-year-olds in here, you know? I also want a Fortunes hoodie. Yeah, look at this shit, yo. You guys want Fortunes hoodies? Oh, should I just look at Fortunes favors the bold? Sorry if there's dog hair on it. I had to, throw this on here and shit, but yeah, bro, it's hard as fuck too. It's so dope. It's so dope. Okay, we can put stops to be here, guys. Capital preservation. Whatever happens, happens. I don't give a fuck anymore. Okay, that's good for me. We shouldn't come back up. Put stops to be. And then hopefully we don't have to punch the air for it coming all the way back up. But news is cutting a little too close here, fellers. Fortunes blesses its audience more than Oprah, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Can you squat once more? Yeah. What do you want me to squat, bro? Whatever you guys want. Whatever weight you want, I will squat right now. I swear to God. You think James can squat a lot, bro? Yeah. How much you want me to? I'm just joking, bro. I'm not about that life. That just sits back there as decoration, you know? Just to make it look like a motherfucker out here running it. I mean, I closed at $1 profit. Good job, bro. Yesterday I was the one who took the L in the first setup. Oh, it's all good, bro. Bro, it's whoever's game. We're either gonna break even here or we're going to make some bread. You feel me? And that's it. I'm done with the trade. Just have to wait till after news. I know this is super unfortunate. Everybody wants to hold their shit. You can hold it if you want, bro. I put my stops to be here. Which is what? 1 pip from TP? Yeah, it's super unfortunate. Make sure you protect yourself. News very soon. Big news very soon. Okay, it is what it is, my friend. I'm so nervous it's gonna come tap us out by the littlest bit and then just melt. I got 240 profit. I ain't complaining. Gang, gang, bro. I can close right now. 625, 650, 625, 600, 625, 600, 625, 525. Oh, bro. I got two. You're doing stream after a long time, I think, but your streams are very engaging. Yeah, thank you. You know, I'm a Phantom motherfucking Nexus, bro. What the fuck is up, bro? Good to see you, my guy. Good to see you, my guy. Look what's happening here. We go 1 pip from TP. I just told everybody to put their stops to B because we got PMI coming out, bro. You know? But what's up, my boy? It's good to see you here, bro. Up 375. It's going to take me out here, guys, I think. What can you do? What can you do? Engaging. Yeah. Good morning, my G. Time to full margin this account. Bro, Phantom Nexus is a GOAT, bro. Make sure you follow him at Phantom Nexus on Instagram. Nasty with it. He's one of the guys who did a payout interview with us this weekend. Absolute fucking legend, brother. And his podcast is coming out. I don't know when it's going to be, but I know it's going to be on a premiere. I'm going to be there, bro. We're going to... I'm just excited as fuck for all 3 of these interviews. You have no idea. You have no idea. I think that this is the coolest group to ever come on Fortunes podcast, but it's only because I was there. So obviously that's the way I feel, you know. And it's kind of true, bro. They're badass, all 3 of them. And their stories are fucking amazing. And I think that you guys will get a lot of value in what they tell you guys regarding how to pass a talent. And I think it's going to fuck all of your heads up because it's things that people don't talk about, the real truth of how to get this done. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Obviously, I will be doing tons of marketing. Make sure you follow my Instagram. It's at the top right of this page. Before these podcasts come out, you know, again, I will be there when it premieres. Mine will be coming out as well. I will be there when it premieres. It's amazing, bro. The set that we did it on, I don't know if you guys seen, the set that he does all of them on is like a news station, bro. Like it is the fucking coolest thing ever. Coolest thing I've ever been a part of. So not to hype it up, but like I'm just saying, bro, it's gonna be hella lit. These are podcasts you guys don't want to miss. And just like James said, if you guys can't watch a 30-minute podcast, but you can go scroll on your fucking phone for 30 minutes looking at shit that's not giving you guys value, don't expect yourself to be able to get to that next level. Put in the time and put in the work. Sample sizing, watching things that can progress your journey, not just with following your mentor and understanding their strategy, but the actual psychology side of things as well. I always tell my group I'm not a big fan of psychology. I think that you are always going to have emotions when you're getting higher in this world, and you just need to understand that you can't trade off of them. You have to trade off of your plan. Just negate them completely. You're still going to be nervous every time you up your lots, or every time you get a funded account, or you get a new, you're going to have these fucking emotions. They'll get a bit easier to control and such, but every time you get to that next level, you're going to have emotions. That should be exciting. It's a fun part of life. You're going to have emotions. But if you guys have a strict plan that you follow to, and you know more often than not it works out, then these emotions don't mean shit. That's real trading, trading with the plan. I bet you Jeff Bezos isn't making decisions off of impulse. He has a plan. I bet you James isn't making decisions off of impulse. He has a plan. So you guys should do the same. Still haven't got taken out here yet. Looks like it's going to happen. We are now about 15 minutes till news, so I'm hella cool with it. You know, just breaking me even, but I'm damn sure not going to be holding through it. You got me fucked up. Yay, excited for your podcast. Woot, 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 woot. You made the weekend 10x, bro. It was a real time. I appreciate that, bro. You guys all made it a fucking fantastic weekend. So fucking fun, bro. It's dope you guys are showing up now to the streams too, and I appreciate you, bro. Appreciate the love. All love. Hey, bro, and I'm still going out to 3 Points in Miami. I'll tell this group too if anybody wants to come see me, son. I'll be out in Miami in a couple weeks for 3 Points. It's a rave. And don't expect me to be professional. It'll be all fun and zero trading. So don't be coming out there trying to learn my strategy, bro. Like, come out there to have fun with me. If you want to learn the strategy, you're here right now with me. This is what we do right here. You know? What up, EPSC, my boy? Sorry you can't unmute, but I love you, bro. Sitting next to him and watching that shit. Yeah, bro. 3 Points. Let's run it, bro. Let's go full margin at the rail. We can go to the rail, bro. My girl won't go though. She's in the back. She doesn't do that shit anymore. We could go hit the rail though. People are so fucking aggressive, bro. It's like, bro, go in the mosh pit, bro. This is just the rail. Why are you pushing me, bro? Some people like that shit though. Just to be throwing fists and punching people and shit. I'm like, bro, I just wanted to be in the crowd, bro, to show some love. Why are you hitting me and shit, bro? Like, what the fuck? Emmett, when do you usually hop on this live? I'm going to tune in 7:30 a.m. Eastern every single day, Monday through Friday. Mondays with Fortunes, Fridays with Fortunes. The in-between 3 days are going to be with Zen Lab. Okay? So you can tune in every single day, bro. There's not a single day I don't show my face on the camera. Laughing my ass off. Imagine someone coming up to you talking about a trading plan. I tell them bro, that's just life as a guru, bro. It's like, hey, bro, I just have this one question about that impulsive leg. It's like, bro, I'm out to eat with my lady, bro. Can you call me later? And the other 3, where? So Monday through Friday on Fortunes. Oh, yeah, here, bro. Still in this, baby. And then the other ones are here, good sir. You don't even got to look it up. I'll just send the link to you, okay? Give me some time, sunshine. Or wait, what? Your channel. I'm new to this, bro, so I've never done this before. Clearly. Here we go. Or wait, right here. Here we go. And everything is, what's it called, bro? Everything is scheduled. Like, not right now, I don't think. I don't think I have anything scheduled. Let me see. Manage videos. Okay, I don't have anything scheduled right now, but all my shit's scheduled, bro. So, like, if you... Oh, look, I'm getting blocked. Damn it, dude. It's so fucking annoying. Everything is scheduled. Gorpap, market structure. Bet, I'm a sub. I appreciate you, bro. Thank you. You missed my message. Oh, I'm coming, Meg. I'm coming for it. I'm coming back up for it. Why don't you do one account for most active member and one for random? Because I gotta put Nightbot up. I'm figuring that out. I do that with the group sometimes. I just have to put Nightbot up, and I don't know how to put Nightbot up because I don't have access to this YouTube channel. Like, I'm just like I'm an editor of it. So when I go live, I'm not going live on this actual platform. I'm trying to figure it out, bro. Y'all don't need to bore you with all this shit. We're trying to figure it out though. Trust me, I'm working on it. Imagine someone coming to you talking about trading. Yeah, and other. Yeah. Better be ready. I'm definitely doing that. Wait, what? King, you're coming out? You're coming out for 3 points? Mate, can you explain your strategy where you sweep the highs and lows of previous session? Yeah, bro. I got you. Yeah, I got you. Also, I'm gonna explain it right now, but just also come over here and look it up. I have a video on it. Okay, right here. How to identify and trade liquid grabs in the financial markets. I have a video on here. So just, but I got you. Let's run it right now. Okay. Still in this trade, guys. Not a fan of it. Like really ready for TP1 to hit just so I can pull it and run. Or at least put my stop. I'm not getting slipped on this position, bro. You got me fucked up. And we got 15 minutes before news. So just be cautious, mate. Bet I'm a sub. You missed my message now, but I will pull up on a jet ski one day and with the tablet asking you to look at my charts while you're boating with your lady. So trash, bro. So trash. It's all good, bro. Y'all could catch me at bro. If you guys wonder where Emmett's, I'll be at this crib in Tampa or I'll be at Beer Can Island every weekend. It has been that way for the past like fucking 6 months, bro. Catch me on the. All right, there we go. TP's almost hit, guys. TP1 hit. Woo, 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 woo. Oh, did it not hit yet? Oh, yes, my alarm went off. Okay, we hit. The alarm went off. 1.06462 is the lowest it hit. My TP1 is 1.06461, bro. Can I hit it? That's a tenth of a pip. Is that TP1 hit or not? I'm still holding to see what happens. But can I call it or not, bro? I'll leave it up to you guys. One in the chat if I can go. Shut up, bro. Can I, one in the chat if it's TP1, two in the chat. If I can't call it, I can't. Okay. Okay, there we go. Fuck you, Alessandro. All right, can we get some dubs in the chat? Let me do a nice little Instagram fucking post for the guru lifestyle and all that good stuff. Please, can you guys throw some dubs in the chat before it comes up and reverses? I'm just kidding. First day trading with Fortunes. It was honestly a little gay. It was kind of a gay video, I'm not gonna lie. For a beautiful fucking session. So make sure you guys are tuning in every Monday, every Friday. I feel like I'd use it. It was a little gay. Alright, y'all. So but I'm posting it though. Trading with Fortunes on a Friday. We got a beautiful dub. Big Friday dubs. Please tell me you held that, fucking Daniel. Maybe pull out some, bro. I'm trying to get some high RR, but maybe you pull out, bro. What do you think? Fortunes on a Friday. We got a beautiful dub. What a good week, bro. Fuck. Everybody have a good week at this point. If not, if this right now, if you're in profit for the week, pull out, bro. You got news soon. Pull out and get that money for the week, bro. It's all good. I ain't mad at you. I'm not mad at you. I'll be mad at you if you don't make if you lost on the week when you're up right now. Then I'll be mad. This is a certain situation. You got news, bro. You can take some bread. I've just had a really good week, and I'm trying to see if for some reason I can hold this. I got my stops a little bit low. Like, you know what I'm saying? But go get you some yappa tappa, homeboy. It's okay. I ain't mad at you. I got nothing but love for you. Dun 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 dun. You guys know that song. All right, sell. But yeah, I'm considering taking some myself. I mean, bro, run that shit, bro. It's all good. Thank you, EU, for blessing our account today. Much appreciated. We're gonna go ahead and run that as a supply setup. It's a dub. 1-1 so far. I'll put it higher ones if it's there. And then we go over here. Consistency, fellas, every day. You guys still have some time to take out some money. Just saying, bro. Don't say I didn't warn you. Okay? And then we put it there. Consistency, guys. Month, After a month. 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 Data, 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 data. You don't think you start to realize shit after having this much data? You don't think there's certain things that you'll pick up that I just can't teach you that you started to figure out through just collecting your trades every single day? Actually reviewing them on Friday, looking back and be like, oh, is there anything I could have done different? Or no, I was just playing the probabilities of my strategy. That was fire. You don't think over the course of a year, bro, you're going to fucking really understand some shit by just doing this every day? But it just comes with the consistency, just like the gym, you know? You got people like me who go to the gym for 2 weeks and it's like, dude, where the fuck is my six pack at? This is bullshit. And then you have people that understand, okay, I'm starting to see that little bit of definition in the triceps right there. Like, you know what I'm saying? Progression. You don't need to be there tomorrow. You just have to understand where you're going. Okay, we got 10 minutes until news here, guys. We'll watch the event. We'll watch our profits go down to TP 1 million, and then we'll call it a stream here and have a wonderful weekend. We cool with that? Y'all fuck with that? Yay. Shooters shoot and holders hold. Yeah, bro, we got to get that R. You know, for those of you who follow my strategy, now your stop loss will be sitting right here. If you want to kind of manage this, bro, you can fuck around, dude. And put your stops right there. As soon as it breaks past these previous candle highs at this 1-to-1, just take it out. Just understand you're not doing that based upon structure. You're just doing that based upon a 1-to-1. You know, it's not really exiting the same way you enter. But who gives a fuck? You make money, you make money. Right before news hits. So, yeah. Why does there have to be news today, though? I know, man. Could be good, though, King. You could potentially hold it. I'd probably cut out like 9:42. Just be like, boom, peace. If it melts off, that's a lie. I'm probably going to hold it. I just don't like to get, so if you guys are wondering why I'm so soft out here with news, I have very tight stop losses, as you see. And a lot of times, even though it'll go in my direction, my trade just can't handle it, bro. They can't fucking, and so it like ends up whipsawing us out by a couple of pips and then going out of my direct. That shit drives me through the wall, bro. And so more often than not, I found out that I can remain at a higher profitability rate if I just stay away from news. As of right now, you know? As of right now, I'm always open-minded. I got to use the restroom. 1 sec. The more often than not game has been fun, though. Like, you know, me telling you guys about not pulling out of the entry during drawdown because more often than not, it just fucks you. And here we are. We almost got taken out by like a pip and a half. Held through, understood that we're trading off of that zone, not off of our emotions, and we were able to preserve our capital, bro. Simple. What's going on here? Ooh, we're sending her home here. That's what's going on. I'm cool with it. Even though it ended the week negative, we ended on a positive note, and that's a hell of a way. What if you exited right now, Daniel? You'd be ending. Oh, yeah. Never mind, bro. Just scratch that. I forgot. My bad. My bad, OG. My bad, OG. Dump it. Yo, Phantom Nexus, is this the first stream you watch of mine, bro? It's a little disrespectful, bro. Job has been here this entire time, every day. Just fucking with you, dude. Jove is in the motherfucking, in the Zoom call, bro. Just close full, my boy. Yeah, bro. Whatever, dude. You know, you got 1 minute left. And then if this candle closes and then you break past this previous candle high, then you're good. You're even closer to that 101. I'm the same way with new slippage, so I took it and ran. Yeah, bro. It just ruins accounts. It's just fucking stupid. So like, I feel you, bro. I do. I feel you. I'm thinking about it too. Just at least has to break past the previous high or something, Like I can't just pull out right here. No way. How do we join Zoom call? You got to join my signal service, bro. I'll send the link, but I'm just not here for that. Whatever though. No, I'm giving value to the firm. I can, toss a little signal shit in there. Here, just do this, bro. Can you just go to my Instagram and then go into my bio at emmett.trades? Is that cool? Is it worth it, boys? I'm not answering. I'll let them decide. No cap. Is it worth it or not, bro? Don't be capping around here, bro. Don't just be nice, bro. If it's, why is it good? Also, we have about 5 minutes till news, guys. And we're happily just sending its way down. I just bought my SVJ last night. All right, bro. Now he's definitely not joining. He's like, what? I'm getting out at 44 and 59 seconds. Let's see more often than not momentum kicks 5 minutes before news comes out. Yeah. I'm gonna... We'll see. I was about to say I'm just gonna close half here before news so I can get some bread at least, but I'm cooling, bro. I just want to see what happens here. There's nothing telling me to get out of this trade at all right now. Zero. Okay, so if this candle flips and starts, I will get out at least half of my position so I can secure before news. We'll be a little soft today. But if not, there's nothing telling me to get. I would be so upset if I clicked the exit button and then we just fucking melted. I would be really upset, right? So let's just, let it do its thing. It is melting off right now. Give me some type of reason to get out of this trade or fuck off. Okay, so there's that flip. I just closed half. Like a soft ass bitch. And then whatever happens, happens. I shouldn't get slipped. And even if I did get slipped a little bit with my stop loss, I would just break even on this trade for massive downside potential at this point, right? And I love that. I'm cool with that heavy. Look at those equal lows we have sitting down there, bro. It's kind of fire. Look at those equal lows sitting down here. Right here. Isn't that crazy? Let's go smash those. We got 3 minutes until news. Half of my position is out. The other half is doing its thing. Feeling a little soft for that exit. I think King would be upset about that one. My bad, bro. Shout out to you holding me accountable here. I'm sorry. I know King holding this shit to the core earth. I'm sorry, bro. We'll talk about it too. We'll talk about it tonight during session. Not gonna lie. King scaled in. I got people to hold me accountable in my group, fellas. So we really have to keep it serious out here, bro. Everybody keeps each other in line. We got 62 likes and 44 concurrent viewers. So, well enough achieved the giveaway, guys. We're just waiting for news to see what happens. Hopefully don't get slipped. I actually did send my stop loss a bit lower again. Just like, just so if it slips me here, then you know what I'm saying? I'm still good because my entry's up here. Not fucking with news. I already got a nice little 1049 off of this, which is clean. Let's go. This is exciting trading here. This is so fun. I'm so excited. Is anybody else excited? I'm excited. Coming down to our management area here, but news is not going to give a fuck. Just understand, it may tap in and go, get that stop loss right, or get that trigger figure ready. King gonna hit us with that. I set my TP and stop loss and went to sleep. It's not even King talking to us right now, bro. You know? it's, it's his alter ego. That motherfucker fell asleep a long time ago. The trade's already in. He goes right to bed. He said, fuck my clothes. You fucking puss, bro. I'm on the same page though. Like if you guys are wondering why, bro, I don't fuck with news at all. Close, be safe. Okay, sure. I'll close another half right here, and then we're cooling. Okay, I'm at another half here, fellas. Because then that puts me at 1674 for the day. It's anybody's game, fam. We got about 15 seconds. Make sure you got them stop losses. You know what I'm saying? Chilling, bro. It's hard to take it. Sometimes they don't take it out. Gee, y'all know the deal. Okay, we're here. Okay, nice jump. I'm still in. It's pushing. It's pushing. Still in. And I'm out. That's it. I'm out. Good job, guys. Shout out to bro telling me to take out another half. Good job. All right, good. Yeah, I'm not mad at that. Watch it tap our entry and then continue lower now. Okay, that's it. It's a done deal. All good and proud. My group, bro. Can you guys send some emojis in my group, dude? I'm so annoyed. No emojis on anymore. With the TPs hit. It's so dry in there. Send emojis. Send emojis. It's dry in here. It's dry in here. There. Can't get broke catching pips. There we go. Thank you, bro. Now we got some emojis. All right, we good, fellas? Y'all ready for a giveaway? Please make sure you guys shout me out in a post on Instagram. You don't need to do it for anything. It's not to qualify for a giveaway, just to show some love. Don't only tag Emmett.trades, tag Fortunes Funding. And if you're really about it, tag James Storms and show him how we doing out here, bro. Okay? We really do it out here, okay? But yeah, show me some love. I'm going to do, so let's see how many people we have in here. 1 to 100, my favorite thing to do, fucking lose my mind. 47 people in here, but again, make sure you guys go shout me out in the post, bro. I appreciate that. Young Sonny out here just trying to get my following up and give value to the masses. And so if I gave you value today, bro, open that up so I can give it to more people, We here, baby. So appreciate that. I got to leave for work literally in 1 minute. How do I apply for a giveaway? Bro, I'm about to make you pick a number between 1 to 100 at 950, and then whoever picks the correct number wins. If you can stay around, sunshine. If you can stay around, sunshine. You about it? You cool with that, Kevin? All right, cool, bro. We got 200 views. It's so weird, bro. I wonder why the views have went so far down. We'll figure it out, though. I'll figure it out. Damn, this hoodie looks reppin', baby. This hoodie's fire. And let me run through a couple of these real quick to see if there's anything you guys could potentially take. I mean, this GU is coming up to the supply that you can take. Sorry I didn't get to break down everything, but NAS, EU, and AU, bro. It's a long breakdown when we run through the whole thing. But understand, the foundation of everything is still the same, okay? You guys shouldn't be lost in the markets if you're trading my strategy, because all you have to do is go to the hourly, you find the impulsive leg, you go down to 15-minute, you find the previous session high because we're only looking for sales, you find some type of supply because we're only looking for sales. We got it sitting right here. This is what I do every day. If I didn't have to show everybody in my group how to do it and shit, it would just be like this. Okay, there's supply sitting right there. Go down to 5-minute. Do we have anything? Not really. So it's like, okay, I already missed out on this opportunity over here because we already broke past London highs and never made that correction. Now I have to wait till we come all the way up here. And if we get a reaction and break past previous candle lows, it's off to the races. I know that was very very slow, wasn't it? I'm sure you guys all understood that. But that's it every day. It's the same fucking thing. Impulsive leg, mark out the zones, wait for the zones to hit, reaction, done. Go to the next pair. Go to the hourly. Am I bullish or bearish? Okay, I'm bearish. I'm really looking for sales. Go down to 55 minute, look at supply and demand, find that previous session high. That's it. I'm not making it sound simple. It is that simple. We have 45 seconds left, and then you guys can start picking. I do have my number written out right here. Let me just make sure you guys didn't see it. Actually, I'm picking a new number now. I forget this is a wide-angled camera. I don't like the number game. I mean, we can do the tacking game if you want. I'm working on, you know what's so fucked up, Meg, is I have a really dope, by the way, you guys got 20 seconds that you could start doing the night. I have a really dope pinwheel thing to spin to deal with all this and shit on, but it's a Nightbot thing. I just finished it. So, yeah, I mean, sorry, I'll come up with a new way here soon, yo. Like, and then wait, yeah, I know you guys have to wait until I put start here. I know you guys are gonna start. My bad, it's on me. Until I put start here, you're fucked. So wait till I put start here. I got to zoom out all this so I can see all the numbers, because it gets a little hard. Okay, I just put start here. Fucking run it, bro. Fucking run it, bro. I wish I could put on music right now. It's so much funner with music. I think I picked a badass number. I think. Yeah, I did. I'm getting good at this. Yeah, I understand where your guys' heads are at now. Every time I do this now, it takes a while when I do the 1 to 100 at least. Because I know what number you guys won't pick. Isn't that cool? Psychology's a bitch, dude. Yeah. No one's hit it yet. Psychology's a bitch, dude. Oh my god. The human mind is so fucked up. There it is. Boom. Bougie got bars. The number was 91. Psychology's so fucked up. Let me just make sure, though. Y'all know how we do. So we'll do this together. So we have no crying and, oh, I picked that number first. So all I do, guys, is I press Control F. You can do it yourself, too. I don't just have to do this. Press 91. Boom. Look at this. 1 of 1 here. You see this sitting up here? 1 of 1. Oh, wait. Sorry. 1 of 1. He won. There was no other person to pick 91 except for him because he's a goat. Won fair and square. Wait, King said 90. Oh, fuck you, King. Piece of shit. I said 91. So now there's 1 of 2. So somebody put up 91 again. Just put it. No? Yeah? No? 91. See, now it's 4 of 4. You see? You see all the cap coming in? Now it's 5 of 5. This is what I'm talking about. But the first one was Bougie Got Bars. So, Bougie Got Bars. Send me your email. Send me, if you want a 2-step or 1-step challenge. And then send me your full name. Okay, so full name, social security number, your address, your bank account number, your routing number, and then a 2-step or a 1-step challenge. Then I can get you your challenge. Okay? Are you cool with that, bro? Social only, bro. Sounds fair enough. Pet's first name as well. I'm just fucking with you, dude. Top right of this whole live, you can see it's at emmett.trade. Just message me. All I need is your name, email, and 1 or 2-step challenge, bro. That's it. Please do one for most active members in the chat. What about you don't have to message to get a giveaway. I don't mind people who message, Meg. It's not like, it doesn't bother me. Or who don't message. Never lucky on these things. I never was either. You know, I followed along Daniel's stream and like for like a year. somebody else's stream for like a year, never won a single giveaway. And I have people here who've won multiple giveaways. It's so weird to me. Yeah, so I feel like you guys should not get so frustrated about not winning the giveaway. You make me feel like shit every time. It's like, oh, I wish I can give away the whole world. You know, it's like, it's all good, bro. It's a fucking giveaway. It's not for everybody. Okay? But Bougie, make sure you remember to do that, bro. Don't mess up. If you forget to message me, then I'm just gonna give your shit away on Monday. I never win at anything. I hate this. Limiting beliefs, my friend. Yeah, that mindset does not get you anywhere. But love you all. I will be here on Monday, so I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. All of you guys should have profited off this trade. I gave you multiple reasons to get out of this trade, when to get out of this trade, told you when I got completely out of this trade, you know, everything in full lump sum, all of it. I'm going to jump off of a cliff. Yeah. What size did he win? 25K? 25K, Meg. He won a 25K, dude. Stop being so disappointed in me. Have a good weekend, my guys. Any other questions for me? Anybody got anything? Is anybody buying a talent this week so you can get that funded? We do have 2 promotions going on right now. Let me just bring this over to you guys. The first one is 12.5% off of your challenge. 90% lifetime split, bro. That means every time you get a payout, you're only giving the company 10%. And then 150% refund. You're getting even more money back than you put in to get the challenge in the first place. What a no-brainer, dude. What a no-brainer here. You pass the challenge, you don't have to pay for shit. It's amazing. And then our next one is our Fortunes 5 promo code. My personal favorite, which is 5% off. Screw the upfront cost because I'm obviously going to pass it. So I'm going to get that 200% refund because I'm a badass. I'm talking like I'm you. I'm in your head. And then I get a 95% profit split, bro. You only have to give the company 5%. I mean, what a no-brainer, right? So if you guys want to sign up, the link is in the description to do so. I will also put the link right here to do so. And run it, bro. I will see you guys on Monday, and I appreciate you all for showing up. You guys did fantastic with the likes, decent with the views. All love, bro. I appreciate you. Sorry for the people who just came here for the giveaway and you didn't get the giveaway. I apologize, but think about it. You got 2 days out of every 5 days that I show my face to get another one. Okay? I only give 1 giveaway on my group every week, which is just a 5K account giveaway. If you guys want to participate on that, that's Monday, Wednesday, Thursday. Within one of those days, I do a giveaway. And then Monday, Friday, I give a 25K away on Monday, a 25K away on Friday, and it's right here with the best prop firm in the nation, baby. Fortunes, okay? All right, I'll see you guys on Monday. Take care. Everybody have a good weekend, and thank you guys for showing up, and I hope you learned something, okay? Peace.